Malcesine. I think that's how it's pronounced. I wouldn't want to bet anything on it though. We drove down here from Riva del Garda this morning. It's a pretty short drive. It's pretty quaint, but all along the lake, the vibe is different. It's very much surfing oriented, bicycling. It's very active along the way. So if you're into windsurfing, sailing, that kind of thing, you're going to want to drive down from Riva. This is the Saracena Gate, dated to 590 when the castle was ruined by the Franks. That's such great history. We are at Castello Malcesine. We're having fun trying to pronounce that. That's fun. Up here overlooking Lake Garda. It's pretty nice. We'll spin around here. The tower, Castello di Malcesine. Madonna con Bambino, Byzantine fresco, 14th century. It was discovered in 1949. As you can probably imagine, Castello di Malcesine was all about controlling boat traffic here on Lake Garda. A surprise. A bust of Goethe from 1786. What does that have to do with this place?